Hello everyone, we're staying warm here in the Blazer EV, and it's at 202 miles of range, 71%. It's using about 2 or 3 kilowatts to keep it warm for an hour. I left that on. We are here at the Stampede in Aurora, Colorado for their New Year's celebration. It is 12:29 at 19 degrees outside. Coldest car show yet. I went inside. I should probably do a video of inside. It's almost kind of confusing of when I went into the back door and I was behind the bar to find the restroom. That was fun. Never been here, and it's in an interesting venue. I was wondering what they were doing. I guess they were just looking at the tires. Gross. So the car says, this car says 19. And what's your temperature said? It says 22 on the phone. For about 2 seconds because it is still cold out here. Woohoo!
Like, what I love about my electric car is that it doesn't create any emissions. So when I warm it up, I can keep the garage door closed, and I know that it's not going to hurt any of my friends and family when I'm warming up my car.
Okay, after that drum ceremony, we had to like get warm here. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Mom and Maddie.
Hi.
We've discovered a new feature in the Blazer EV.
The Blazer has a special feature that maybe not everybody knows about. When you turn on the button for your rear view mirror to get rid of the snow, it also turns on the heaters on the side mirrors, and that's a wonderful feature to have.
You need to see the
Here's a little bit of the mirror that you can see the insignia, which warms up and cleans off the side mirror.
So it's about 2:14 at 19 degrees outside. And I'm 183 miles of range, 66% battery, and you wouldn't believe the foot traffic we keep getting here. People just walking by like crazy. This is a Silverado EV here with how much range? And 94.5K. 94.5K for how many miles? How many miles range? How many miles of range? How many miles of range? That's the problem. These things are not informational. They give you all kinds of features and things, but not the miles and range. Great. Choose. It's very dark and cold inside also. So anyways, more jokes of dirty cars and things, but it is January, so I'm not going there. Go.
You wouldn't believe it. When you want your side mirrors to...
When you want your side mirrors all warmed and defrosted, there's an extra special feature. Okay,
we
go.
have it.
Need the graphic on that one. Yep, stand in my way. And next time I'm out there, I should probably wipe the camera off so we can creep on more people. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening right now?